I know what you're thinking. Why is there mayonnaise next to chocolate cake ingredients? It sounds like something out of a nightmare or a mean prank, but this cake actually exists. It's called the chocolate mayonnaise cake, and it's been around for nearly 100 years. Apparently, it's rich, moist, and better than your standard chocolate sponge, all thanks to a big dollop of mayonnaise. So today I'm gonna be baking it to see if this crazy idea actually works or if it's just a recipe born out of desperation. This is gonna be interesting. The chocolate mayonnaise cake was born in America during the Great Depression and became a staple through World War II. Back then, ingredients were rationed, so home bakers had to get creative. Mayonnaise, which is made from eggs and oil, became a perfect substitute. It added moisture, fat, and richness without needing extra butter or eggs. It's genius and slightly gross, but it actually went mainstream. By the 1940s, even Hellmann's started printing chocolate mayonnaise cake recipes on their jars, and people loved it. It wasn't just a we're broke but still want chocolate cake recipe. It became a real household favorite. So today, we're stepping into the shoes of a 1940s home baker and finding out whether Mayo really does make the perfect chocolate cake. So here's what we're gonna need: plain flour, cocoa powder, sugar, I'm using caster sugar, bicarbonate soda, vanilla, and salt for extra flavor, hot water, or it also said you could add coffee, which obviously brings out the chocolate taste, and of course, our main ingredient, lots and lots of mayonnaise. Full fat mayonnaise, none of that light stuff, because we want to replace the fat from the eggs and the butter that we're not using. Looks delightful, doesn't it? We're starting with the dry ingredients, so flour, cocoa powder, salt, bicarb, and we're also adding in the sugar here as well. So pretty normal so far. 2 cups or 250 grams of plain flour, 50 grams or half a cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1.25 cups or 250 grams of caster sugar. Grabbing the whisk, and I'm just gonna mix these all together until they're combined. There we go, that will do. Right, now here we go. This is the moment where everything starts to feel wrong. It's thick, it's glossy, it's salad dressing. Gross. I don't even like mayonnaise on its own. This is a whole cup of mayonnaise, by the way, 240 grams. It's a lot, and I guess we just mix it in. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know which utensil I should be using here. I'm tempted to switch to an electric whisk. Let's give this one a go first. No, let's do an electric whisk. Oh no. Okay, let's give this a go. Okay, much better. It's coming together now. All the mayonnaise and chocolate and flour and sugar. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, next step. Now we're gonna be adding in our liquid, so our hot water or coffee. I've decided to use coffee to really bring out that chocolate flavor, and some vanilla extract as well. I'm just trying to take away the mayonnaise taste as much as possible, to be totally honest. So in goes the coffee. This is 240 milliliters, which I believe is also a cup. So in that goes. Okay. And about a teaspoon, oh, of vanilla. That was definitely a teaspoon. And now which utensil do I use? Let's start with this one. I'm really hoping this is gonna turn less lumpy in a minute. Oh, it smells good. It smells really chocolatey. I'm getting like a hint of coffee, but more chocolate, like lots of chocolate. Okay, this legit looks like a cake batter now. No, stop. Why does this actually look so good? Like, look how glossy that is. Okay, I'm starting to get on board with this, okay? Don't know about the taste yet, but so far it looks good. You would never know that this was full of mayonnaise. Now we're gonna pour it into the tin and bake it. This is a really thin cake batter, so I don't wanna put it in a loose bottom tin or a springform tin because it will probably leak out. So I'm gonna use one of these, a square tin about 9 inches, and just hope it fits. So I'm gonna line this. A little hack for nicely lined tins. Ta-da! Okay, and then in it goes. Yum! Can't believe I'm saying yum to a mayonnaise cake. Oh, I reckon this is like the perfect size. Don't ever need to smooth it out. So this is gonna go in the oven now at 160 degrees fan for about 35 to 40 minutes, and we shall see what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, our cake is fresh out the oven, and this is looking really promising. So I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna flip it out onto our cooling rack here, and then we're gonna make the frosting. Mine only took 30 minutes, by the way, and I tested it with a toothpick, and it seems done, so hopefully it is. I'm having a mind blank. For the frosting, we're making a simple chocolate buttercream, no mayo this time. We're using butter, unsalted butter, icing sugar or powdered sugar, whatever you call it, cocoa powder, vanilla, and a splash of milk as well. So in goes the butter. This is softened, and that is ½ cup or 115 grams. Then I'm gonna add half the icing sugar. Makes it easier to mix. The vanilla extract, and the cocoa powder. So that was 40 grams. And let's whisk these together. And then the rest of our icing sugar, so it's 2 cups in total, which is 250 grams. And we'll also add in a couple of tablespoons of milk, just to loosen it up a bit and help it mix more easily. There we go, and whisk again. That's looking really good, but I'm just gonna loosen it a little bit more with another tablespoon of milk, just so it spreads a bit more easily. There we go. Just whisk it up again. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna let my cake cool fully and then we'll spread on our icing. Kind of excited for this. Our cake is pretty much cooled now, so I'm gonna flip it over onto our serving plate here. Let's peel that off. Ooh. Half of it has stayed stuck to the paper. but that's okay. It's not a super thick cake, is it? It hasn't risen that much. Let's spoon on our frosting. Just smooth that out to the edges, because the base of it is really crummy. I'm trying not to get it in the frosting. Nice thick layer of frosting. Oh, I love frosting. For me, it's the best part of the cake. I mean, I like the combination, but I can't have cake without the frosting. It would have been so much easier to ice the cake the other way up, but we've done it now, it's fine. There we go, it's rustic looking. I was expecting chaos, so to be fair, this is better than what I imagined. It would really pass as any chocolate cake, to be honest, but the real test is how it tastes. So let's cut ourselves a slice. Oh, it feels super soft. No. That looks so fudgy. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited to try this. Nervous and excited. Okay, the moment of truth. How is that so moist and fudgy? This is so much better than a regular chocolate sponge. It's so much richer and almost like fudgier. Like, this tastes like a legit good chocolate fudge cake. I'm so impressed. Can someone explain to me what is going on here? First we try spotted dick, and that was good. Then we try tomato soup cake, and that was really good. And now chocolate mayonnaise cake, and this is good too. I hate that this is so good. Like, why are you so delicious? Why did it work so well? I don't get it. So there it is, chocolate mayonnaise cake. Born out of rationing, saved by Hellmann's, and somehow still standing a century later. Would I make it again? Absolutely. Would I tell people it's made with mayonnaise? Absolutely not, because they probably wouldn't eat it. I learned that lesson when I told my sister when she was a kid that calamari was in fact squid, and she never ate it again. So on that note, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did, and let me know in the comments section what weird historical desserts I should try next, because apparently I've reached a point where I'm just willing to bake with condiments at this point. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.